Okay, I'm going to go over here pretty quickly what a CSV file is, how to convert it, what you would use it for. So CSV file stands for comma separated value. It's sort of a universal spreadsheet file. Pretty much any spreadsheet database application is going to be able to open and read a CSV file, which makes it a very convenient way to share data across platforms. So first, let's show you. So I've got a CSV file here on my desktop. I'm going to browse to it. There it is, CSV test. So I'm going to open it up, and there it is. Excel opens it, understands what it is, puts everything into nice rows and columns for me. Now, to understand a little bit about what's going on, CSV files are really just text files. So I'm going to open my notepad here. Alright, here's my notepad. I'm going to open that same file in Notepad. This is just your text editor, your standard Scratch text editor. I'm going to open it up. It by default looks for text documents.txt, but I can open any file I want with it. Now you'll see if I open this Excel file in my text editor, it's a jumble of strange characters that I can't make any sense out of. But if I open that same file, if I open the CSV version of that file, I open it up, there we go. It's nice and neat. I can see that I have each value, each column is separated by a comma, each row is separated by a return, and all that's doing is it's a nice easy format that when Excel sees that file, it knows exactly how to split everything up so that it formats it for rows and columns for you. And that's a CSV file. That's what it is and how to work with it.